Cardinal Alencherry, calling it a day. Cardinal George Alencherry, the major Archbishop of the Syro-Malabar Church, has recently narrowly escaped media attention and ridicule by stealthily going to the judicial magistrate to obtain bail in a criminal land scam involving misappropriation of several crores of rupees. Cardinal Alencherry is being accused of illegal land sales resulting in huge loss to the Archdiocese of ERNAKULAM ANGAMALY during his tenure as its Metropolitan Archbishop. Over a dozen criminal suits have been filed against Alencherry by several lay faithful of the Archdiocese on account of the controversial land deals. On January 27th, the major Archbishop Alencherry appeared before the Judicial First-Class Magistrate Court at Kakinad, seeking bail in a criminal case in which he is the first accused. As Alencherry had come to the court with no prior information to anyone, he could avoid all media attention. However, a new controversy has now erupted since the complainant in the petition against the Cardinal, Mr. Johnny Varghese, had also not been informed of Alencherry's coming to the court. He has filed a new suit questioning the grant of bail without being given a chance to be heard. It's for the first time in the history of the Catholic Church, a serving head of an individual church is getting bail in a criminal case and still continue to hold the office of the major Archbishop. Several associations and movements in the Archdiocese of ERNAKULAM ANGAMALY, as well as the general public, have demanded Alencherry's immediate resignation. Being the head of an individual sui juris, self-governing church of the Catholic Communion, it is not easy for the Pope to impose his will and ask a major archbishop to step down. However, most other bishops who are members of the Synod of the Syro-Malabar Church also feel that the Cardinal, being embroiled in all sorts of criminal cases and scandals, should step down. But they cannot voice their demand in public because that would be interpreted by the supporters of the Cardinal as breaking communion and episcopal collegiality with the head of the Church. One of the bishops who did not want to be named said, "The Syro-Malabar Church is in deep trouble. The head of the church, the major archbishop himself, is involved in more than one scandal. Several canon laws have been violated. Now, the synod under his leadership has become absolutely divided on his continuing in office. We hope the Dicastery for Oriental Churches will soon intervene to save our church." It may be remembered that it was precisely to thwart any public demand for Alencherry's resignation that he had sought exemption from personal appearance in the court. When the High Court of Kerala first dismissed Alencherry's petition, he approached the Supreme Court of India itself, seeking the same exemption. The highest court in the country also declined the plea of Cardinal Alencherry and asked him to appear before the trial court. The judge has reportedly told the counsel for Alencherry that his religious title and authority do not entitle him any exception before the criminal laws of the country. As the voices for Alencherry's resignation are growing day by day, all the members of the Church as well as the society at large are waiting for the Vatican to act. In the past, the Holy See has quietly enforced resignations of those bishops stained by scandals. Thank you.